Hey guys, what's going on? Cody Steck here. We're gonna take a look around this house right here behind me that I just bought, and this is gonna be a new house flip. So this is gonna be a fun project, and there's some scary stuff here on the outside that we're gonna have to clean up, but it's actually not too bad, I don't think. So you can see here, starting outside, we've got an old door here that was covered up at some point. They also have another door here that they've just put a piece of wood over. We're gonna open that back up, pour some stairs right here, and make a little bit of a little, landing area for, you to park your car, and then go in through the side door, which will take you into the kitchen. Coming around the back here, this is where some of the scary stuff is at, and this is going to be a big project for some people, but for us, it's just a matter of finding the right person who can do it at the right price. So you can see here that there's some damage there to the brick, but nothing structural is wrong with the house. They basically just need to replace that brick. So I think for your average person, they might look at that and think, oh man, that's going to be, I don't know, $10,000-$20,000 to fix that for foundation, when it turns out that it's really just going to be, probably for that little spot, probably, I don't know, $800-900 worth of brickwork, and that's basically it. So that's going to be pretty cool to see that. Let's go ahead and step inside here. We've got some other stuff we're doing on the outside, all new plaster along the wall here. We've got to fix this patio, dress that up, new doors, new trim all the way around. We got to take care of that stuff. And inside, we're going to get new windows, and we're also going to be looking at getting additional, new doors, new basin case, new light fixtures. We're pretty much doing everything in here. So you can see that we've got a nice little living room right here. Old heater there on the wall, we got to tear out, patch that up. This will be kind of just like a front foyer area. Probably put a couple chairs there to stage it up and make it a little bit nicer. In here, you've got your kitchen, which is going to be fully refreshed. So as it is right now, I'll move that out of the way. They've got the range right here, and then they also have washer and dryer hookups right there. So they had the range there. They probably had a stackable washer and dryer, and the fridge here in front of that side door that we were looking at. This is just an entrance to the crawl space where the mechanical room is at. But we're gonna open up that door. We're gonna move the fridge over here, and then we're gonna put the range right there and take the laundry hookups and move those over to that corner there. So that is the plan for the kitchen. Hopefully that will work, and it will be pretty simple to do. We'll get new cabinets in here, new countertops, give it a whole paint job, clean it up. We're doing new electrical outlets and switches, everything like that. So that's going to be nice to have. And this is just another exit to the side yard, which is where there's a little patio here. If we can get this unlocked. So a little side patio here, which is kind of cool. And this is actually a piece of land that they just split off. They're going to build a house here. A small little twin home actually. So the property line is actually only going to go to about right there for the house here. So we're just going to kind of clean this up out here, and that's pretty much it for the outside there. Your other bedroom here, pretty decent sized bedroom, tall ceilings. Again, we're going to do new fixtures, fix the ceiling, those lines you can see there, and clean up the closet a little bit. And that's going to be what we've got here. So this is your second bedroom, what you consider probably the primary bedroom, master bedroom here. So the small closet here, we're actually going to take this wall out. You can see that it's actually a deep closet. So we're going to take this wall out right here and open it up, and then put bifold doors to make it a little bit more of an accessible closet. And then in here, you've got your bathroom. So you've got the tub, toilet, and sink. We are actually going to get rid of this, move the plumbing. We're going to put a tile shower in the corner right here. This also has a drop ceiling, so we're going to take that ceiling out. That'll make it feel much taller in here. And then we'll do tile here in the corner for the shower. Probably have to do the vanity here and the toilet here underneath the window, because if you do the vanity here, you don't have anywhere to put a mirror. So that's kind of a problem. Over here, just a couple of cabinets there. So that's gonna be a fun little project for the bathroom. The floor, we're just doing LVP on the floor, nothing special there. We're just gonna lay it right over the top of the hardwood. We thought about refinishing the hardwood, but it's gonna be just really expensive to do that, so not worth the extra cost. It's gonna be expensive, plus the time. It's just gonna be a lot to come in and sand them down, refinish them and all that. So that is the project, guys. Pretty exciting to see this project here come to light. I generally don't flip houses, so this is gonna be my first full official flip. I've done remodels and stuff before, but it's for rentals, and so that's a little bit easier because you don't have to make the house quite as nice. If you're gonna flip it, especially for this house in this area, we do need to make it pretty nice, you know, reasonably speaking, to get it to a level that people are gonna enjoy and wanna buy it. So the numbers on this deal, we're looking at, we've got a purchase price of $350. So our purchase price is $350. We're expecting to put about $65,000 worth of work into the house, and then we are hoping to sell it for $500,000. I think there's a chance we could sell for more, maybe up to $520,000, $525,000, as we list it in the springtime. If the market's good at that point, that could turn into, you know, a pretty good deal for us if it ends up selling for above $500,000. So after all the costs, the fees, the expenses, if we can stay on budget, you know, paying commissions and closing costs and the cost to borrow the hard money and everything, I'm expecting that we'll probably make somewhere between $40,000, but it could be as high as $60,000, $70,000 for this project here. So yeah, pretty exciting news. Just want to share this with you guys. An old house, doing a little flip here. It's gonna be a good chunk of work, but we're gonna see what we can get done and how quickly we can do it. Unfortunately, they're shutting down the road to replace the sewer line, so the road's gonna be closed for 2 weeks, which is unfortunate because it's a very narrow road and it's at the end of a dead-end street, so there's no way to get to the house with a vehicle for the next 2 weeks. So that's going to put a hamper on our plans here. But as far as, you know, getting things started, we need to get going on this project right away, because every day that goes by is another day that's going to be costing us money. So that's the flip, guys. Stay tuned on the channel here for more information, and we're going to try and do some documenting along the way and see how it goes, and we'll catch you in the next one.